Healthy. And the window! Window! Alright.
Window?
Hit! 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 Back in! Oh shit. Oh, this is all wet. Okay, open. Oh shoot, wrong side. I got you, I got you, I got you. In that window. Right in the face mask. Yeah, we're good. Let's do this. Hey. Hit. Hit. Alties, right on the other side of you, right here. He's right here. Oh shit. Yeah, I told you. Get some, bitch boy. Get some. There you go. You get some. Hey, watch your back, Dish. Damn, you just got you some, dude. We got a guy right here. Nice shot, man. Alright, is it clear on this left side? All T's, I'm coming over you. There you go. If he runs up on us, I count off. Oh, no, yeah, that's...
Oh, nice shot.
No, he's on our team.
Oh, damn.
My bad, Pope. Well, I mean, he peeked around.
He did peek around, look at it.
Yeah.
Pretty aggressively.
He had that look in his eyes, man.
Whoa, friendlies right there. They're right behind you. Right there. Yeah. 2 of them.
What you got? Nice. He just got a knife kill, dude.
Oh, nice.
Out.
I like that. You get him?
Yeah. One shot, motherfucker. Dude, I am tearing him up, bro. Yeah, behind this. There you go.
I'm gonna pop him right in the face. Alright, he's dead.
He is. I'm out. I'm out of ammo. Dead man coming out. I'm sorry, man. That's all I saw, dude. I'm sorry. Dead man coming out. Coming out.
I didn't actually get anything. Get my bits.
Man, that was my last shot, too.